What are you doing, Munchkin? Balloon? You gonna see Itsy Bitsy? Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Oh no, you bite the balloon instead. Do it?
No.
Do it for us. Go. Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Kitty? Are you camera shy? You're never camera shy.
Yay.